So in this quick video, I want to show you how to fill up a portable gas can like this. So you can fill up your lawnmower back at home, or another gasoline appliance, or if you are actually stranded on the road with your car and you need to take it back to your car, I want to show you how to fill it up. It's fairly simple to do, and it's pretty much the same as you would fill up a car, but there are some different caveats that you need to take in consideration. Now this one is actually 5 gallons, which is actually kind of large. The average vehicle will take about 15 gallons to fill up, like a car. However, this is actually a full 5 gallons. The majority of them are only 2 gallons, which that's what I'd recommend for you to always have an empty one stored in your trunk of your vehicle, not a full one, an empty one, in case you ever get stranded for whatever reason. All right, so let's go ahead and fill it up. It's fairly simple to do. So let's go ahead and pay for our gas. Now, a few safety tips. You want to make sure that your vehicle is completely off, and you want to make sure that there's no fire or anything around the gas as you're about to fill. You do not want to put this on the bed of a truck or even in your trunk. You want it on a flat surface like this, all right, in order for it to be stable. And we're going to actually fill it up by eye, okay? It doesn't have like a safety protection on it like a car does. So we're going to fill it up by eye, and we'll know exactly how much gas to put in it by knowing the gallons. So this is 5 gallons. So you want to probably put about 4 gallons of gas in there so you don't overfill, but you also want to be checking with your eye, physically with your eye, to make sure that you don't overfill it. All right, and this will be our nozzle that we turn back upside down whenever we're ready to fill it. But let's go ahead and fill it directly in there. All right, so we could of course put regular or ultimate or diesel. Of course, for lawnmowers and majority of vehicles, you just want to do regular. So let's go ahead and choose regular. All right, that one's for the diesel, and this one's for regular. All right, and make sure it's on regular, yes. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on here and make sure that we don't go over. You know, this fits 5 gallons, but we don't want to really go over 4 or 4.5, so we don't overfill it. But again, we're going to check it by eye. All right, and we're keeping an eye on the gallons. Make sure it doesn't go over 4, but I'll probably only fill it up to about 2. All right, and we're going to physically look in there as well. Make sure it doesn't, when we get close, that it doesn't go over. You should actually hear it come close to the rim as well. All right, so 3.5 is enough. All right. And let's go ahead and put our nozzle back. All right, and you want to make sure that you don't store this in the car very long. You want to get it home and then put it in a cool place in the garage. And go ahead and put our nozzle back. All right, make sure your lid is tight, and then we'll put it in the trunk. Wow, that's heavy. All right, that's how you fill up a small gas can in order to take home to use in your gasoline appliances and equipment. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.